How to find someone's social media account by phone number. So if you want to find someone's social media account by phone number, then what you need to do is, firstly, you need to go ahead and open up your Instagram application and make sure that you have a stable internet connection and make sure that you've logged into your account. And if not, then go ahead and sign in yourself. Now tap on the profile icon, which will be in the bottom right of your screen, and then tap on the 3 horizontal lines, which will be in the top right of your screen. Now here, under how others can interact with you, you will have an option of follow and invite friends. You need to tap on it, and then you need to go with the follow contacts, and now tap on allow access, which will be on the bottom, and go with the permissions section. And now you need to scroll down, go with contacts, and then allow the contacts. Once you allow the contacts, you need to come back to your Instagram, and now you've connected it to Instagram. Now simply tap on the contacts option under the invite your friends option. So simply tap on the contacts option right here under invite your friends, and then tap on the search bar and paste the contact number that you want to find. And with this, the contact will appear if they are on Instagram. So this is how you can find someone's social media account by phone number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.